Hello, my friends. Today's video is all about money. So we will be covering contracting, full-time employment. But before that, I really want you to first understand your situation. आप किस situation में हो? Married हो, single हो, family commitments हैं या कुछ और commitments हैं या you have time and you can work bloody hard, long hours and earn more money. So it depends on what is important to you based upon your lifestyle, where you stand in your life. I'm no way to say anything कि आपको ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, but I will just show you all those pointers which are important, and through those pointers you can take decisions, because I have done both. I have done job, I have done startup, and I have done contracting. I have been doing contracting now. What is contracting? According to the business side of the government, contractors run their own business and sell their services to others. Contractors will often use their own processes, tools, and methods to complete their work. And generally speaking, contractors are into IT these days. You get wages instead of salary, and generally it's daily based. जो अपनी जैसे बोलते हैं हम इंडिया में दिहाड़ी पे. So it's like a daily wages. Generally speaking, a contract is between 6 to 12 months, and there are two types of contracts. One is a sole trader, and second thing is setting up your own company like a private limited or PTY Ltd. And now talking about full-time employment, as we all know, full-time employees usually work an average of 38 hours each week, and they are usually employed on a permanent basis. People usually get fixed salary, and full-time jobs generally don't have any length or duration. Moving further, the advantages of contracting versus full-time employment. In contracting, you get paid much higher than a regular job because आप daily wages पे होते हो, Saturday Sunday को आपको payment नहीं मिलती है, and because there's a risk involved. It's a fixed tenure, and after that you can be jobless. So that's why more the risk, higher you get paid. Second point is you can work on multiple projects or clients. There are no conflict of interest involved because it's a business. For example, 2 days you're working for one client, 3 days you're working for another client. It doesn't matter. Obviously, I'm not saying कि आपको फर्स्ट क्लाइंट के वर्किंग आवर्स में सेकंड क्लाइंट का काम करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना. That's unethical. But you're free to choose multiple clients. Coming to the next point, this is funny. You stay out of the office politics. कैसे? आप एक skillful resource हो. आपको सिर्फ एक specific project के लिए hire किया गया है. You are not fighting there to impress someone. You are there for your skills, and that is the only thing you have to prove to do the best work out there. Employment में क्या होता है? People used to fight for corporate ladder, management level, higher ups, promotions, but contracting is simply आप आओ, काम करो, पैसे लो और निकलो वहाँ से. And this makes you rely on your skills, which pushes you to be more knowledgeable and up to date in the market. Last point, you get a feeling of an entrepreneur because you're running your own business. You are raising invoices and having your own business set up and paying all the taxes as a business. Moving to the benefits of employment, our first point is you get leaves and other benefits as an employee, and your salary won't get deducted until, of course, you have exhausted all your leaves. इसका मतलब ये है कि छुट्टी है, सैटरडे संडे है, पब्लिक हॉलिडे है या बीमार हो गए आप, सिक लीव ले ली है, आपकी सैलरी आती रहेगी. So you have that peace of mind. You get gratuity and super. In Australia, it's called super, and in India, it's called provident fund. So you get this from the employer. Generally, it's like 10% of your salary, and which is like a saving for you, and no one can take it away from you. It's very hard for an employer to fire you and give you much more stability. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप खराब काम करो just because you are an employee. It's just like अगर आपके काम में issues हैं या कुछ problem आ रही है, they will first give you the warning, and then if something is wrong, they will work with you, unlike contracting. Next one is you get promotions and long service awards. Plus, you also have an opportunity to be higher on a corporate ladder, getting all those promotions and getting up to CXO level. Last but not the least, you can easily get the loan or mortgage because of your stability. इसका क्या मतलब है? बैंक आप पे ज़्यादा rely करते हैं as compared to contractors because आपकी एक stable income है. हर महीने they know that you will get the income, so that becomes very easy for them to give the loan, and plus aapka background check. Wherever you are employed, they straight away go there and get your reference checked. So that makes things easier for a bank to give you a loan. We just got done with some upsides of contracting versus employment, but as we all know, every upside has some downsides as well. So let's discuss some consequences as a contractor. First point, you don't work, you don't get paid. इसका क्या मतलब है? Saturday, Sunday अगर ऑफिस बंद है, आप काम नहीं कर रहे, you don't get paid for that. अगर बीमार हो, sick leave है, छुट्टी मार रहे हो, you don't get paid either. Second point, get ready to hustle. What does that mean? You are expected to bring results on the very first day as you are a costly resource. इसका ये मतलब है कि first day से ही आपको productivity दिखानी पड़ेगी. No knowledge transfer, nothing, because आपका मीटर घूम रहा है, तो वो expect करेंगे कि first day से ही हम output देना शुरू कर दें. Next point is it's not stable. 6 महीने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, 12 महीने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, काम खत्म हो गया. Please expect to at least stay at home without work for at least 1 month. ऐसा होता है. It's very common in contracting. Continuous basis पे मिल रहा है, contract extend हो रहा है, very good. But कई बार ऐसा होता है, your contract is over, opportunity ढूंढने में टाइम भी लगता है. So be prepared for that thing. But don't call yourself as an unemployed. Okay? This is business. Next point is, apart from working on your contract work diligently, you also have to handle a lot of admin tasks. इसका क्या मतलब है? आपकी कंपनी है, so a lot of admin tasks including salary pay करना अपने आप को, taxes pay करना, accountant से meeting करना, bills pay करना, ये सारे के सारे admin tasks add up होते हैं apart from you working as a contractor. Not to forget this thing, you are responsible to pay your super or provident fund to yourself because you are your own employer. Next point is extra cost of running a company. What does that mean? Obviously, contracting में ज़्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं, but not to forget all these legal things and insurances which we have to pay as a company. For example, accountant fees, PL and PI certification, indemnity insurances, running payroll of your company to pay salaries including yourself. You are responsible for all the assets like laptops, softwares, accounting softwares, etc. And the next point is the funny one, you cannot enjoy your holidays. इसका ये मतलब है कि आपको लगेगा छुट्टियां मतलब लॉस. आपका मीटर रुका पड़ा है, किसी अच्छे बीच पे बैठे होगे, कॉकटेल पी रहे होगे, दिमाग यहीं पे होगा कि यार मीटर रुका पड़ा है, आज मैं पैसे कमा सकता होता, but I chose to be on a holiday. So these psychological things are very common to come in your mind. So my friends, these were some cons of contracting, and let's flip it over to employment. First point is generally lower pay as compared to contracting. क्योंकि stability है, बाकी सब कुछ है जो ऊपर हमने डिस्कस किया है, इसलिए हमेशा कम पैसे मिलते हैं. Second point is you don't have much control on your taxes. Generally, आपका employer आपको tax deduct करके salary देता है, and at the end of the year, the next financial year, आप जब tax file करते हैं, तब भी कुछ deduction होती है या कुछ tax claim होता है, तब आपको government से मिलता है. And one more small point is usually you don't get overtime. Like अगर आपने Saturday काम किया है, Sunday काम किया है, आपका मीटर नहीं है वहाँ पे, आपकी salary है, तो काम करना पड़ रहा है तो it's okay. But contracting में it is a different scenario. If you are working extra day, you get paid extra. So yeah, that's one of the consequences as an employment. And the last point is generally restricted as to what other work you can undertake. It's very difficult to have a side hustle, or you cannot have 2 jobs in once because that will be a breach of your employment contract. Generally, time नहीं मिलेगा आपको दूसरा client ढूंढने का, क्योंकि वही पूछेगा कि आप कहीं और job करते हो, and you cannot deny that. और ऊपर से Monday to Friday full time 9 to 5 job चल रही होगी. So yes, that's a thing. So my friends, these are my perspective towards contracting versus employment, which I have done both. But decision is yours. आपकी situation कैसी है, tax का क्या है, risk taking capacity कितनी है, plus can you handle all these hustle and bustle of contracting? Yeah, you need a peace of mind. Employment is good and you need some stability because मुझे नहीं पता आप life के किस journey में हैं. So take your decision wisely. So that's it in today's video. But one of the key point is मैंने आपके लिए ये Excel ये spreadsheet बहुत अच्छे से बना के रखी है. If you want to download as a summary, मैंने description में link दिया हुआ है and it's free of course. And it's very insightful, straight coming from my very professional accountant. I really hope आपको कुछ insights मिली होंगी इस वीडियो से. And until I meet in the next video.